So this is how they're gonna do it. Okay, so this is the image, and I'm going to make it hit down the top here, and this is what they're gonna do. Just choose any tool and convert it. So when you convert it, you use this. Okay, is the rectangle, so we use it. Come out to this side. Okay, or this side, but because of the shadow. Okay, so let's maintain it to around this side. So let's just make it again like something cool like this. So when you get to here, then you click Ctrl plus J and Ctrl plus T and hold Shift. Yeah, have you seen it? Then I hit OK, then Ctrl E to add them together, and I come in here again. It's gonna do the same thing. Ctrl C, Ctrl plus J, and you hold Shift. Does it, then Ctrl E to add them together. Okay, and that is the same thing we're gonna do on the top here. That is same way. Okay, have you seen it? Very simple. And you see there's a lot of things we need to just make sure it will just disappear. So I'm going to take this one out. Okay, because I use the dirt tool, and I make it 100%, and I just take it out. So here you're going to choose the mixer brush. Okay, and we're going to use the mixer brush to create the background. So that's how she was gonna do it. Very simple code, and this doesn't take much time. When you're working on it, take your time. Okay, so just work on this side. Okay, so that is it. Here, this is how you're gonna do it all the time. Okay, but you can work on anything you just want. So simple. So guys, if you need more videos like this, click here, and I'm gonna get you something sweet. See you for the next one. Bye.